everyone. I'm Basera Silvestri to discuss about the natural logarithm. Okay, this is the example
Wala kayo
of the
nag-snow sa amo. Grabe.
example number 1. ln 45 equals log of 45 to the base of e. First, you have to apply the change of the base theorem. So, log of 45 all over log of e. So, the value of log of 45 equals to, you have to using the calculator to, so log 45 equals 1.6533212 all over the value of log of e equals 0.4343. You have to divide this one, so the answer is 3.806614. So this is the final answer, the example of number 1. So let's proceed another example of number 2. ln 44.8 equals log of 44.8 to the base of e. So same process for the example number 1. Log of 44.8 all over log of e. The value of log of 44.8 equals to 1.651278 all over the value of log of e. So 0.4343. You have to divide this one. So 0.4343 equals to 3.802150. So this is the final answer for equation number 2. So by the way, I'm Basera Silvestri, and that's all, and thank you.